Hello and welcome to Adobe Illustrator video. We are going to be working on creating a tag. So let's go up to File on the top and we're going to click New right here. Once we've done that, we're brought up with a new document. Under Preset Details, we're just going to name it. So I'm going to call mine Tag Lot. The width, we're going to put at 200 for now. And the height we're going to put at 100. The width of our actual object will be about 120 millimeters, and the height of our actual object will be about 50 millimeters. So this gives us a little bit of room to move around. Down on the bottom here, it says color mode. We're going to make sure that is an RGB color mode. And of course, the units we want to be in millimeters. Okay, let's just click create on the bottom, and this will create our artboard for us. You just click on the artboard tool right here. If you go up to the top, you'll notice there is our width and there is our height right there. Okay, what we want to do first is we want to create a shape to be the outline for our tag. So let's go hover over this tool right here below the text tool, the type tool. And I'm going to hold down on that button, and on yours, it'll probably be preset to rectangle tool, but if you hold it down, you'll notice there's a lot of different tools here. We're going to be using the rounded rectangle tool. So I'm going to click that once, and you can just bring out to here and just click anywhere on your artboard. And I'm going to set my width to about 100 for now, and my height to 50. And this corner radius we can set to 5 for now. So click OK. You can see here is my basic shape. I'm going to go up to the top here, and there's a selection tool. I'm going to click it once or hit V on my keyboard. And I'm going to drag this up to the center. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we want to create the tag that's going to come out the front here. So before we do that, let's just take a look at these little rounded, these little dots here. You can change your radius depending on what you want. I might push mine out just a little bit more. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go up here, and you can either click P on your keyboard, or you can hold this button, left click down or push down on your mouse. And it will bring up these options here. So we're going to use the pen tool. We're going to click that once. And what we're going to do is we're going to come down to the center here, and you can see a pink line kind of pops out. We're going to pull that pink line way out here. Make sure that pink line, it'll disappear if you move around. You want to stay on that pink line in the center. And I'm just going to bring it about here. I'm going to click once, and I'm going to bring it all the way up to the top, and I'm going to make sure it says path. You can see it says anchor right there, but it says path. So I'm just going to click on that once, and you can see it wants to continue. I'm going to stop that. I'm going to hit escape. Then all I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here where it says anchor and make sure it says anchor right there. And I'm going to click once, and I'm going to drag down to the bottom, and it should say intersect here. There it is, intersect. So, and once it says intersect, I'm going to click again, and there we go. One more time, I'm going to hit escape. And we've got a great start to our luggage piece. Okay, in the next video, we're going to be looking at some other interesting features to make this thing a bit more refined.